Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 best air fryers in 2024. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So here are the top 5 best air fryers. The 5th product on our list is Philips Premium Air Fryer, XXL HD 9630 by 98. The Philips Air Fryer XXL was one of the most user-friendly appliances we tested. During testing, I tasted a ton of French fries, and this appliance made ones that I couldn't stop noshing on. They had the perfect combination of crispy crunchiness, tenderness, and potato flavor, even when I loaded the basket with more than 3 pounds of them. The battered Nashville hot chicken tenders I made finished with a crackling crust as if they'd been deep fried, and hamburgers tasted like they were made on the grill. This appliance was consistently fantastic at air frying, even with large family-size portions of healthier fried foods. Plus, it's a well-built machine and easy to use. No preheating is required. If you really love fried food without all the fat, the Philips is definitely worth the investment. That said, it's a big, heavy machine that's noisier than most of its competitors while operating. And with no digital control panel, it's hard to set cooking times and temperatures precisely. With a few more parts than most other models, there's more to clean. Fortunately, all the parts are dishwasher safe. Just note that it will eat up considerable shelf and counter space, but the results are worth the payoff. An easy-to-read recipe book with lots of cooking ideas is also included. Up next in 4th place is the Instant Vortex Plus. This sleek air fryer features a unique clear cook window that allows you to visually monitor your food as it cooks, a plus that we absolutely loved during testing. But this appliance isn't just visually appealing, it also crisps food quickly and evenly. Everything from fried chicken to frozen fries to Brussels sprouts came out with impressively tasty results during testing. We also love how easy it is to use. The touchscreen is beautiful and intuitive, and we love that the dial made navigating time and temperature quick and seamless. We didn't even have to read the manual to learn how to navigate between cooking mode, time, and temperature settings. This machine also boasts an odor raise filter, which is designed to minimize residual food smells in your home. But we didn't find that it worked particularly well. As long as that's not a deal breaker for you, though, this air fryer is an excellent pick. The 3rd product on our list is the Kalorik FT 52051BK. If you're looking for an air fryer that's affordable and large enough to cook for several people, this model from Kalorik is a surprisingly good value. Its 5-quart basket is more spacious than many other models, allowing you to fit more food in a single layer. We were able to fit 3 Eggo waffles in the bottom of the square basket, and they didn't overlap at all. This is ideal if you frequently cook large batches of French fries or chicken wings, as they cook best when air can circulate around them. This air fryer also has a glass viewing window, as well as an inner light, allowing you to monitor your food without opening the basket. It's extremely quiet during operation, and we found that it's easier to clean than many other air fryers. Its non-stick interior comes clean with just a quick wipe or two, even when there's sticky or greasy residue on it. Alternatively, you can put the whole basket and trivet in the dishwasher for hands-off maintenance. Of course, the Kalorik air fryer does have a few quirks worth noting. Its control panel has a borderline overwhelming number of buttons, and many have weird icons that don't accurately represent what they do. We needed to keep the manual nearby the first few times we used this air fryer to help program it. We also found that it's not as powerful as other models, and many recipes needed a few extra minutes to be properly cooked. Still, if you're looking for a large air fryer that won't break the bank, the Kalorik is a worthwhile option to consider. The 2nd product on our list is the Cuisinart TOA 65 Digital Air Fryer Toaster Oven. This multi-purpose appliance from Cuisinart not only air fries, but it has all the versatility that comes with a toaster oven, and it ranks as our best air fryer toaster oven. Everything we fried cooked up brown and crispy, including batter-fried chicken that came out as crunchy as those fast food wings and tenders that come in a bucket. Bread toasted exceptionally evenly and matched the shade we selected from pale but dry to dark but not black. When baking, we got great results when we reduced the time and oven temperature to prevent over-browning. The digital Cuisinart is among the more expensive air fryer toaster ovens on the market, but it's handsome and has digital controls with pre-programmed settings for air frying. For bake and pizza, there's an automatic preheat. No preheating is required for air frying. This model isn't as wide as a typical toaster oven, so it won't take up as much countertop space. While it is taller, it will fit under a standard cabinet. Despite its relatively compact size, it's large enough to accommodate 3 pounds of fries, 6 slices of bread, and a 4-pound roast chicken. With a low setting for slow cooking and braising, as well as dehydrating and proofing modes, it gives a lot of versatility for the money. The interior has a non-stick coating, and the air fryer basket and baking pan can be tossed in the dishwasher. Cuisinart provides a helpful manual complete with cooking charts and appealing recipes, as well as a quick reference guide that stores in a slot in the bottom of the oven so it's easy to find when needed. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items, and be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top product title name is the Ninja Speedi Rapid Cooker and Air Fryer. While this easily ranked as the best air fryer we've tested, the Ninja Speedi does more than air frying alone. It's also a multi-cooker with steam technology that allows it to cook speedy meals, which combines several cooking features simultaneously to make mealtime quick and easy. Plus, it has 9 additional settings for everything from baking to proofing bread. When it comes to air frying, though, this appliance provides some of the best results we've ever seen. During our tests, French fries and chicken nuggets came out exceptionally evenly cooked and were as brown and crispy as if they had been fried in a pot of oil. In spite of its many functions, the Ninja is exceptionally easy to program. The lever to select air fry or rapid cooker is large and easy to flip. Once you switch it into place, the cooking functions for your selection become available and are easy to toggle through. The cooking pot and crisper tray have a non-stick coating and can be placed in the dishwasher. It also comes with a comprehensive manual, a Speedi Meals guide, and a helpful recipe booklet. You can also access the Speedi Meal Builder online, which suggests various combinations of foods and cooking times. It's heavier and a little bulkier than most traditional air fryers, but it also offers many more functions. Neither the cooking pot nor the crisper tray have handles, so you should be extra careful when removing them. We recommend silicone grippers rather than traditional pot holders, and be aware that during air frying, the appliance makes a whooshing noise that sounds like a hairdryer on low speed. That's all for our list of the 5 best air fryers on the market. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of the products, and remember to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. We'll see you guys in the next video.